Hi everybody, welcome back. I just wanted to let everybody know what I've been up to lately since I haven't been posting anything for a little while. I'm just finishing up the Firebird 78 Firebird Trans Am. It's coming along well. I just have to put the pieces together, put the body over the chassis and that, and find the finishing touches. I've also started another build. I'll turn the camera around and show you what I'm working on next. And also I picked up a few kits at the local hobby center. They bought out a collection recently, and they've got a bunch, about 4,000 kits, car kits. So I was in there last week, picked up a few kits. I'll let you see what I got as well. Hang on, I'll turn this around here. So this is the kit I'm working on next, the MPC Dodge Dart Sport. Of course, being an MPC, it's got a lot of seam work and cleanup to do, sanding, filing, scraping seams and so on to get it cleaned up. Comes with two figures that I'm going to paint up as well. Comes with two engines, a small V8 and I think a 426 Hemi, so I'm going to use a smaller 340 engine, save the Hemi for something else, and I should have some videos up of this soon. Also, what I've added to the stash lately, I've got this one here. I thought I'd try a show rod. I got the vending machine. It's a good price. And I picked up this one here, Master Box. It's a figure kit, 1/24 scale, of a policewoman. I thought I'd try one of those. And I also got a Lindbergh kit, 1930, Model A pickup. It's a 1/32 scale. So I have some plans. I'd like to experiment a little bit on this one. So that's the additions and what's been going on here lately. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all the new subscribers I have. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.